Hello kids, welcome to a fun learning video. Today we will learn 20 classroom objects for kids. A classroom has many useful things that help us learn, write, draw, read and stay organized. Knowing classroom object helps children build vocabulary and feel confident in school. Are you ready to learn? Let's start. Book. This is a book. A book has pages full of stories, pictures and lessons. We read books to learn new words, ideas and facts. Books help us become smarter every day. Say, book. Notebook. This is a notebook. We use a notebook to write notes, answers and homework. It helps us keep our work neat and organized. Say, notebook. Pencil. This is a pencil. We use a pencil to write letters, numbers and draw pictures. Pencils are great because we can erase mistakes and try again. Say, pencil. Eraser. This is an eraser. We use an eraser to remove pencil marks and fix mistakes. Mistakes help us learn and eraser help us improve neatly. Say, eraser. Sharpener. This is a sharpener. We use a sharpener to make the pencil tip sharp again. A sharp pencil helps us write clearly and neatly. Say, sharpener. Pen. This is a pen. We use a pen to write clearly with ink. Pens are often used for notes, classwork and important writing. Say, pen. Ruler. This is a ruler. We use a ruler to draw straight lines and measure length. It is very useful in maths and drawing class. Say, ruler. School bag. This is a school bag. We carry books, lunch, pencils and notebooks in it. A school bag keeps our things safe and easy to carry. Say, school bag. Desk. This is a desk. Students sit at the desk to read, write and learn comfortably. A desk gives space for books and schoolwork. Say, desk. Chair. This is a chair. We sit on a chair during class. Sitting properly helps us stay comfortable and focus on learning. Say, chair. Blackboard. This is a blackboard. Teachers write lessons, sums, and words on the blackboard. Students look at it to learn new things. Say, Blackboard. Chalk. This is a chalk. Teachers use chalk to write on the blackboard. Chalk makes letters and numbers easy to see. Say, chalk. Whiteboard. This is a whiteboard. Teachers write on it using markers. A whiteboard is clean, bright, and easy to erase. Say, whiteboard. Marker. This is a marker. We use a marker to write colorful words or draw on the whiteboard. Markers make lesson bright and fun. Say, marker. Clock. This is a clock. A clock tells us the time. It helps students know when class starts, ends, and when it's break time. Say, clock. Globe. This is a globe. A globe shows the earth, countries, and ocean. It helps children learn about the world. Say, globe. Map. This is a map. A map shows places, roads, cities, and countries. Maps help us learn geography and directions. Say, map. Scissors. This is scissors. We use scissors to cut paper for art and craft activities. Always use scissors carefully and safely. Say, scissors. Glue. This is glue. We use glue to stick paper, pictures, and craft items together. Glue helps us make creative projects. Say, glue. Crayon. These are crayons. We use crayons to color pictures and make art bright and beautiful. Coloring is fun and creative. Say, crayons. Well done, kids, you're doing great. Now, let's revise all 20 classroom objects for kids. Book, read. Notebook, write. Pencil, write. Eraser, erase. Sharpener, sharpen. Pen, write. Ruler, measure. School bag, carry. Desk, study. Chair, sit. Blackboard, learn. Chalk, write. Whiteboard, teach. Marker, write. Clock, time. Globe, earth. Map, places. Scissor, cut. Glue, stick. crayons, colors. Well done kids, you're doing great. Today we learned 20 classroom objects. Say with me, school things help us learn. Great job kids. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more fun learning videos. Till then, bye.